welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use PayPal Pay in Full feature. So PayPal Pay in Full is a buy now, pay later feature that allows you to split purchases between $30 and $1,500 into 4 interest-free payments. The first payment is due at the time of the purchase, and the remaining 3 are automatically deducted every 2 weeks. So in order to do that, you want to simply go ahead and shop online and use PayPal at the checkout. If you are eligible, Pay in Full will simply go ahead and if you're eligible, Pay in Full will appear as a payment option. All you need to do is simply go ahead and apply for the plan, and you'll receive a decision in
It's 7
seconds.
o'clock.
All you need to do is apply for the plan, and you will get the decisions in seconds. So pay the first installment, 25% total immediately, then the remaining 3 will automatically be charged. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below.